In this video, I'll show you how to transfer GoDaddy domain to another registrar. So first of all, you need to log into your account, then you need to click your profile name in the top right corner and you need to go to your products page. Then on the left hand side, you will see this menu and you need to click on domain. After that, you need to choose the domain name you want to transfer. For example, let's choose this one. Then you need to scroll all the way down and you will see this text right here, transfer to another registrar. You need to click on this. Then you need to click start transfer in the bottom right side. And before you will start transfer, you need to go through this checklist. After that, you need to click continue. So here will be the authorization code, and you can use this authorization code to transfer your domain name to another registrar. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.